Well, someone just shared this stunning poster that he just generated with Gemini Nano Banana. And along with that, he actually shared the prompt that he used to generate those posters. And when I try to create a poster like that on Gemini, it does actually work quite well. However, this prompt is only work if you are a famous individual. So in this example, he has the poster for LeBron James, Messi, Kanye West, and this person that I don't know. But basically, it will only work if AI has information about your photo and your activities, so it can fill some information into the poster. But what if you're not a famous individual? Well, fortunately, I was able to adapt the prompt, so you can use this technique to generate a stunning fusion grid mosaic photo poster using Gemini AI. Let me show you how you can do it. So let's just open Gemini. Here I'm using the desktop web version of Gemini, and after that, you can upload the photo that you want to turn into a poster. So you can upload any photo, and in this example, I have some photos that I'm going to use as the ingredients later. So let's say I want to use maybe perhaps, let me try this photo. So I can just drag and drop that onto Gemini, and after that, we can move on to the next step. But I actually want to have something that is a bit more serious. So this photo is fine, but I prefer to have this photo as the main photo in the poster because it is a bit more serious and a bit more professional. So I'm going to use it. And by the way, if you are interested, you can actually create or turn your photo into this style using this prompt, and the prompt will be available in the description down below. But this is not the main prompt of the video. This is just optional prompt in case you want to make a photo to be a bit more professional or studio quality like this one. Now I'm going to use this photo, and let me just delete that. Let's upload the other one. Okay, so after that, you can upload the other photos that you want to include into the mosaic grid design. You can upload up to 10 photos per message on Gemini. So let me just maybe select a few photos. I want to upload perhaps 5 or 6 photos. There you go. So these are the other photos that I'm going to include into the poster design. Now after that, you can copy this prompt from the description down below. This is the main prompt that will generate that poster style. So let's put that into Gemini. There are a few things that you can change. Right here, you can specify the name of the person. Let's call her the person, I don't know the name of this person, but let's call her Jane Johnson. And you can select the aspect ratio. In this case, by default it is 3:4, but you can select a different aspect ratio or dimension. And I do recommend to specify the first photo, which is this one that you want to use as the main photo in the poster, because sometimes Gemini might confuse about what is the first photo that was uploaded by the user. So you might want to specify the content of the photo, which in this case, she's wearing turtleneck, black turtleneck, something like that. Okay, so that's about it. I'm going to click Tools, enable image generation, and make sure to select either Thinking or Pro. Send a message and just wait for Gemini to analyze the content that you just uploaded alongside with the prompt, and also will generate a new photo that look like this example. Anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so finally I got this result. It looks really amazing, and of course these photos are based on the content that I just uploaded onto Gemini. And if you don't like the result, there is always another chance. You can click this redo button. In fact, this is actually the second iteration, because on the first image it kind of looked like this, which is, well, not what I want, but fortunately, the second image looks way better. So yeah, that's basically how you can imitate this style that was shared by this person on X, and all the prompts that I use in this video will be available in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.